everyone. Now we are going to discuss the topic is aromaticity. In 1931, German chemist Mr. Haeckel proposed this theory. This theory helped to determine when a compound aromatic or not. When a compound containing cyclic, planar, conjugated with 4n plus 2 system, this compound is aromatic. This condition is Haeckel rule. Criteria of aromaticity. Rule number 1, the compound must be cyclic. Rule number 2, the compound must be conjugated pi bond. Rule number 3, the compound must be planar. Rule number 4, the compound must be follow 4n plus 2 system. Rule number 1, the compound must be cyclic. If satisfy condition number 1, go to next condition. Example, benzene. It is aromatic because cyclic. 1, 3, 5 hexatriene is not aromatic because acyclic. Rule number 2, the compound must be contain alternative double bond. Example, benzene. If any compound containing sp3 carbon, that carbon kills delocalization of pi bond. Example, 1H pyrrole. Carbocation, carboanion and MTP orbitals also participate delocalization of ring of the system. Example, cyclopropene cation. Rule number 3, the compound must be planar with resonance bond. Example, benzene. Benzene planar with resonance bond. It is aromatic. But naphthalene does not planar with resonance because the two hydrogen non-planarity. It is not aromatic. The bridging compound delocalization with pi bond. Also planarity. It is aromatic. Rule number 4. The compound must be satisfy Haeckel rule, where n is equal 0 or positive integer value. Example, benzene fulfill the Haeckel rule. Pyrrole also fulfill the Haeckel rule. Finally, cyclobeta diene anion fulfill the Haeckel rule. Simple tricks of aromaticity. The compound containing cyclic, planar, conjugated pi bond and satisfy 4n plus 2 rule, total number of pi bond add, it is aromatic. The compound containing cyclic, planar, conjugated double bond satisfy 4n pi rule and total number of pi bond even, it is anti-aromatic. None of the anyone in this rule that compound known as not aromatic. In this case of cyclopropene does not follow Haeckel rule. It is follow cyclic 4n plus 2 rule pi electron system, but does not follow planarity and conjugated pi bonds. So it is not aromatic. In this case of cyclopropene cation, it is follow 100% of Haeckel rule. It follows cyclic, planar, conjugated pi bonds and total number of pi bond is add. So it is aromatic. Carbocation also participate delocalization. In this case of cyclobutadiene, it follows cyclic, planar, conjugated pi bond and 4n pi electron system. So it is anti-aromatic. In this case of cyclobutene dication, it follows 100% of Haeckel rule. It follows cyclic, planar, conjugated pi bond and 4n plus 2 rule pi electron system. So it is aromatic. The total number of pi bonds also add. In this case of cyclopentadiene, it does not follow Haeckel rule. It is follow cyclic 4n pi electron rule, but does not follow planarity and conjugated pi bond. So it is not aromatic. In this case of cyclopropene anion, it is follow cyclic, planar, conjugated double bond and 4n pi electron system. So it is anti-aromatic. In this case of benzene, it is fulfill alkyl rule. It is follow cyclic, planar, conjugated pi bonds, and it follow 4n plus rule pi electron system. The total number of pi bond add. So it is aromatic. In this case of furan, it is satisfy alkyl rule. It follows cyclic, planar, conjugated double bond, satisfy 4n plus 2 rule system, total number of pi bond 3. So it is aromatic compound. In this compound of imidazole, it is satisfy alkyl rule. It follows cyclic, conjugated pi bond and planar, and it is follow 4n plus 2 rule pi electron system. The total number of pi electron is add. So it is aromatic. In this case of prol, it is satisfy 100% of alkyl rule. It follows cyclic, planar, conjugated double bond, and it follows 4n plus 2 rule pi electron system. The total number of pi bond 3. That means add. This compound is aromatic. In this case of pyridine, completely fulfill alkyl rule. It is follow cyclic, planar, conjugated double bond, and it follow 4n plus 2 rule pi electron system. The total number of pi bond 3. That means add. This compound is aromatic. In this case of 1, 3, 5 triazine, completely fulfill alkyl rule. It follows cyclic, planar, conjugated double bond, and it follow 4n plus 2 rule pi electron system. The total number of pi electron 3. That means add. So that compound is aromatic. Case of cyclopentadiene cation completely fulfill alkyl rule. It follows cyclic, planar, conjugated pi bond. It follows 4n plus 2 rule pi electron system. The anion also participate delocalization. The total number of pi bond 3. So it is aromatic compound. In this case of cycloheptatriene cation, it follows cyclic, planar, conjugated pi bonds, 4n plus 2 pi electron system. This cycloheptatriene cation generated from methylene cycloheptatriene and cycloheptatrienone. The total number of pi bond 3. That means add. This compound is aromatic. In this case of cycloheptatriene anion, it follows cyclic, planar, conjugated pi bond, and it follows 4n pi electron rules. The total number of pi bond 4. That means even. This compound is anti-aromatic. In this case of cyclooctatetraene does not follow alkyl rule. It follows cyclic but does not follow planarity. So this compound is not aromatic. Craig rules. The molecule contain C2H6, then count total number of pi bond. The Craig rule only applicable polycyclic ring. Calculate n minus 1 the decided aromaticity. N minus 1 add this compound is non-aromatic. N minus 1 even if this compound is aromatic, where n is number of pi part. In this case of acetylene, best example of Greek rules. When an axe is passed through the two carbon, we get even number of pi bonds. So this compound is aromatic. Many compounds does not follow Craig rules. In this case of naphthalene, completely fulfill or satisfy the rule. The total number of pi bond 5. So this compound is aromatic. In this case of bridging compound, completely fulfill the rule. The bridging carbon also participate planarity. This compound is aromatic. In this case of 12 pi electrons does not follow planarity. It follows non-planarity because repulsion between hydrogens. So this compound is not aromatic. In this case of 12 pi electrons, it follows cyclic, planar, conjugated pi bonds and it follows 4n pi electron system. So this compound is known as anti-aromatic. The bridging 12 pi electron system, it follows cyclic, planar, conjugated pi bonds and finally follows 4n pi electron system. This compound also known as anti-aromatic. In this case of 14 pi electron system, completely fulfill or satisfy the rule. So this compound is aromatic. In this case of monocyclic 14 pi electron system, completely fulfill the rule or satisfy the rule. So this compound is aromatic. The 14-alanine completely fulfill the rule or satisfy the rule. This compound also known as aromatic. The bridging 14 pi electron system completely fulfill the rule or satisfy the rule. So this compound is aromatic. The bridging carbon also participate planarity. In this 14 pi electron system does not follow planarity. The two bridging carbon kills the planarity. So this compound is not aromatic. In this case of 14 pi electron system, that means a deprotonation 14 pi electron system completely fulfill the rule or satisfy the rule. This compound is known as aromatic. In this case of 16 pi electron system, it follows cyclic, planar, conjugated pi bonds and it follows 4n pi electron system. So this compound is anti-aromatic. In this case of 18 pi electron system, completely fulfill the rule. That means cyclic, planar, conjugated pi bonds and follows 4n plus 2 pi electron system. And also these 6 hydrogen also participate planarity. The total number of pi bond 9. That means add. This compound is aromatic. In this case of fused ring system of aromatic does not follow. Means delocalization of pi bonds. So the overall system is non-aromatic. In this case of fused ring system, the first compound is one is aromatic, second one is anti-aromatic. The second compound is first one is aromatic, second one is anti-aromatic. The overall system is non-aromatic. In this case of fused ring system, completely fulfill the rule or satisfy the rules. So this compound is aromatic. That means the overall system is aromatic. In this case of cyclooctatriene cation, known as homoaromatic, because the 7 sp2 carbon pushed out 1 sp3 carbon in out of the plane. So this compound is homoaromatic. In this case of fluorocyclopropene treated with lead pentafluoride, we get quasi-aromatic. These are generally ionic aromatic compounds. The reactant treated with silver nitrate, we get quasi-aromatic with silver chloride. These are generally ionic aromatic compounds. In this case of cycloheptatrienone treated with perchloric acid, we get quasi-aromatic. These quasi-aromatic generally ionic aromatic compounds. In organometallic aromatic, also known as internal salt, it gives electrophilic substitution reaction.